Hello everyone! So this video I will not talk about how to edit your photos, but we'll talk about other aspects of food photography when it comes to composition and basically what it is that you are filming. So this is an actual casserole that I made, and my Instagram page should have the ingredient list. And casseroles are quite tricky. Like, you just can't really make them look good once you scoop it out of the dish. It gets, it looks like one big messy mesh on the plate. And it's also, at times, depends what it is, it's harder to transfer it. So how to get away with still showing your audience the amazing casserole that you've made. So you can take some photos of the process and attract the viewers' eye and imagination, basically, of how the casserole tastes like by taking images of the steps. So this is pre the crust on top, and before baking and after baking. Now this looks very appealing, but you can't really see or know what's inside. So that's why the previous step, which is this one, show you the ingredients. So you can see that there's macaroni shaped pasta there, chicken and purple yam, and some of the herbs. So a trick to transfer the casserole into a different dish, you can actually put it in after it's a bit cooled down, you can cool it completely in your fridge. In this case it has coconut milk in it, so the fat is kind of solidify in the fridge and helps to keep the shape of the casserole when you transfer it. I am guilty not to do this when I did not put it in the fridge when I took this image. This is completely when it came out of the oven into that glass bowl that you can see. Now I took number of images while I picked my favorite one, which will be this one after edit it. But I want to talk about what makes this image, for example, problematic. And it's not really problematic, it's just less appealing. And you can see that there's a lot of negative space in this image, like here at the bottom. I'll mark it. Here at the bottom, there's a negative space. There's some negative space over here. That really doesn't benefit the purpose of taking a photo of the dish and what's in the bowl itself. And this is just like a minor, there's also like a negative space here. This is better that you have the negative space in just one side of the image rather than in both sides like in the previous one. You also want to avoid, and it's not a big deal, but you also want to avoid seeing your hand in the image when you're taking a photo of your image. Same as in this one, you can see a big portion of my hand holding the bowl. It's really not necessary. And you want to take an image where you see the plate. You see the plate itself, and you don't really see what it being placed on. So that will help the image to look appealing as well. And that's pretty much it. Okay, have a good one.